magnetic eyelashes are such a game changer, let me tell you. Y'all, it's Hannah, and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello, if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the makeup look that I did in Monday's video, and I actually did this really pretty blue and seafoam green eyeshadow look, which is what I have on my eyes right now. And I asked y'all in Monday's video if y'all wanted to see a tutorial on that look, and y'all said yes. So here I am today delivering the tutorial for y'all. It is a really pretty, really simple, and really easy look. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. Alright, so to achieve this eye look today, we're going to go in with the Aftershock eyeshadow palette from Bad Habit. And this used to be sold on Hush's website, Shop Hush's website. However, I believe Shop Hush actually went out of business, so now I think Bad Habit just has a website by themselves. But anyway, the first shade that I went into was just that one right there. It is a really pretty dark blue. It is almost like a dark navy blue, and this is in the shade Polar, and I'm going to be applying that shade with a very tiny detailed crease brush like this one, and it's a bit on the fluffier side. And then I'm going to be blending that shade out into the crease with this fluffy blending brush. Next, I'm going to take the shade Drop, which is that really pretty seafoam green color right there. It is a really pretty color, and it's got a beautiful metallic silver shift to it. When the light catches it, it just looks so, so pretty. So I'm going to be applying that with just this flat shader brush, and I'm also going to be deepening the brush with the Morphe X Jeffree Star Continuing Setting Mist. To be curling my eyelashes and putting on some mascara, and the mascara that I'm going to be using is just the Believe It Beauty Extended Lash Lengthening Mascara. I'm going to be using my magnetic eyeliner with the lashes, and I'm going to be using the Bold and Dramatic Lash today because that is my favorite lash out of this little kit. I am back, and I did my foundation, my concealer, and my powder off camera, so now we're going to finish up the rest of the makeup look. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pop some white eyeliner onto my waterline. This is just from LA Colors, and this is just their audio eyeliner, and this is in the shade White. And then I'm going to go into the Aftershock palette from Bad Habit, and I'm going to smudge a little bit of that shade Plur onto my lower lash line with this little angled brush, and then I'm going to be applying some lower lash mascara. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Ciaté London bronzer, and this is just their bamboo bronzer, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this big fluffy brush. Is blush, and for blush I'm going to be using this e.l.f. blush. This is in the shade Shy, and it is a very, very beautiful cool toned peachy pink blush, which I absolutely love. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this angled blush brush. Now I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls. It's been a very long time since I bought this highlighter out and used it. I have owned this for quite a while now, and it's still going strong, so I'm still going to keep on using it. And to apply it, I'm just going to use this highlight brush from Cheek Cheek. Certainly not least is lips, and then we're done. So for lips, I'm going to go into the Hudda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Crush, and then over the top of it, I'm going to be applying the Too Faced Lip Injections lip gloss, and this is just in the shade Crystal Clear, and this is my favorite nude lip combo at the moment because it is so pretty. Alrighty, so this is the completed look. I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, because I'm here for you with new videos every Thursdays, Saturdays, and Mondays at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time. And also don't forget to give me a follow over on social media as well, so that way you can keep up with me, keep tabs on me, and keep a lookout on when I post. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye, my little unicorn.